Hello, and welcome to the Wealth Pulse. If you're new to investing and looking to build wealth, it can be intimidating to know where to start. So many options and sources of information available. It can be overwhelming to figure out what to do with your money. One great resource for beginners is investing books. These books can provide valuable insights and strategies for building wealth and managing money, and can help you navigate the complexities of the financial world. Today, we'll be discussing the top 5 investing books for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or have some experience under your belt, these books can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions about your money. Number 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a classic investing book that has sold millions of copies worldwide. The book teaches readers about the importance of financial literacy and the power of investing. Kiyosaki shares his own experiences growing up with 2 dads, his biological father, who was financially struggling, and his best friend's father, who was wealthy. Through these experiences, Kiyosaki learned the importance of financial education and the power of investing. One of the main themes of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the importance of building passive income streams. Kiyosaki argues that by investing in assets that generate income, rather than just relying on a salary or wages, you can build wealth and financial independence more effectively. He also encourages readers to think outside the box and consider alternative investments like real estate or businesses as a way to build passive income. Kiyosaki advocates for the power of financial education and encourages readers to take control of their financial futures by learning about money and investing. He stresses the importance of mindset and encourages readers to adopt a wealth-building mentality, rather than a poverty-minded one. Number 2. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. The Millionaire Next Door is a best-selling book that debunks the myth of the wealthy being born into wealth. Instead, the book argues that most millionaires are self-made and that anyone can achieve financial success with the right habits and mindset. Stanley and co-author William D. Danko share the habits and characteristics of self-made millionaires and provide tips and strategies for building wealth. One of the key takeaways from The Millionaire Next Door is the importance of living below your means and saving and investing aggressively. The book argues that by spending wisely and prioritizing saving and investing, you can build wealth more effectively. Stanley and Danko also encourage readers to focus on building passive income streams, like rental properties or dividend-paying stocks, as a way to increase wealth over time. The authors conducted extensive research on the spending and saving habits of self-made millionaires and found that they tend to live below their means, avoid unnecessary debt, and invest in a diverse range of assets. They also found that self-made millionaires are often frugal and avoid flashy or extravagant purchases, instead focusing on building wealth through smart financial decisions. If you're enjoying the content so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all our future videos. By subscribing, you'll be supporting our channel and helping us create even more great content. Now back to our topic. Number 3. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. The Total Money Makeover is a personal finance book that helps readers get out of their debt and build wealth. Ramsey, a financial coach and radio host, shares his own experiences with financial struggles and offers a step-by-step plan for getting out of debt and building wealth. The book includes practical advice and tips for budgeting, saving, and investing, as well as strategies for managing credit and paying off debt. One of the key themes of the Total Money Makeover is the importance of paying off debt as quickly as possible. Ramsey argues that by eliminating high-interest debt like credit card debt and student loans, you can free up more money to save and invest. and ultimately build wealth more quickly. The book provides a clear plan for paying off debt, starting with small debts and working up to larger ones. It also includes tips for budgeting and managing expenses, as well as strategies for increasing income and building wealth. In addition to offering practical advice for getting out of debt and building wealth, Ramsey also emphasizes the importance of building an emergency fund and protecting yourself financially through insurance and other financial planning tools. Number 4. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. The Intelligent Investor is a classic investing book that has been hailed as one of the best books on investing ever written. The book was first published in 1949 and has been updated several times since then. Graham, a renowned investor and economist, provides practical advice and strategies for building wealth through investing. The book is considered a must-read for anyone interested in investing. One of the key concepts in The Intelligent Investor is the idea of value investing. Graham argues that investors should focus on buying undervalued assets that have the potential to grow in value over time. He advises against trying to time the market or chase after the latest hot stocks, and instead encourages a long-term approach to investing. Graham also advocates for diversification and the importance of having a well-balanced portfolio. In addition to offering practical investing advice, The Intelligent Investor also includes a chapter on the psychological aspects of investing, which emphasizes the importance of maintaining a level-headed and rational approach to investing. And finally, number 5. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. The Simple Path to Wealth is a personal finance book that offers a straightforward approach to building wealth. Collins, a blogger and investor, shares his own experiences with money and provides a simple and easy-to-follow plan for building wealth through investing. The book is aimed at beginners and is written in a conversational and approachable style. One of the key takeaways from The Simple Path to Wealth is the importance of starting early and investing consistently over time. Collins argues that by starting to save and invest early, even with small amounts of money, you can build wealth more effectively. He also emphasizes the power of compound interest and how it can help your money grow exponentially over time. In addition to offering practical investing advice, The Simple Path to Wealth also includes chapters on budgeting, saving, and living below your means. Collins encourages readers to focus on building wealth through simple and sustainable financial habits, rather than trying to get rich quick or relying on risky financial strategies. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 investing books for beginners. We hope that these books have provided valuable insights and strategies for building wealth and managing your money. If you're interested in reading any of these books, check out the links in the description below. Remember, investing can be intimidating for beginners, but with the right knowledge and resources, you can make informed decisions about your money and take control of your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll be releasing new content on personal finance and investing regularly, so stay tuned. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.